Lights, camera, action. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make rice and beans using black beans, dried black beans. So we're going to go ahead and get started. To your hot pot, add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Once your oil is hot, you add 3 tablespoons of Epis. I will leave a link of my Epis recipe in the description box below. So you're gonna let your Epis cook for about 3 minutes to let it get brown. So I'm using black beans, as I said before. I'm using the dried one. I cooked it for 1 hour. This is 1 cup of black beans. So you go ahead and add it to your Epis and let it cook for 2 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and start adding the dry seasonings. So I added 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chicken Maggie bouillon powder, and 1 jumbo cube. I will leave the link for that one. I got it from Amazon. It's a Senegal chicken bouillon cube, whatever. So what I did is my black pepper, my pimento seeds, and my cloves, I grounded them all together, and then I added it to my pot. You see what I did there? You see that? That's very smart. That's very smart. These are things only chef knows, real chefs know. So after you added all your dry seasoning, you go ahead and give it a quick stir. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our fresh thyme. We use only fresh herbs here, okay? Fresh parsley. And so the remaining of the liquids from the cooked beans, that was 2 cups, and I added an additional cup of water, my red bell pepper, and cover it, let it come to a boil. So once it's boiled, I forgot my bay leaves, of course. Anyways, if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. So once your water has come to a boil, you taste it. Make sure the salt is perfect. And then you're going to go ahead and wash your beans. I am using Diri from Haiti, okay? But feel free to use basmati rice or jasmine rice. So you rinse your rice, it's all up to you. Rinse your rice and then add it to it. So I used about 3 cups of liquids and I cooked 5 cups of rice. And this is the secret to getting your rice to be, you know, so grainy. I don't even know how to say it but in English, but you'll see what I'm talking about, okay? So after you add your rice, you give it a quick stir and you let it go and let the liquid reduce. If you want a little spice, add a scotch bonnet pepper. So what I did there, I added a little bit of dry shrimp skins, just a teaspoon, just a little bit of, you know, of mystery I added, not too much, you know, just to have you guessing, oh my god, what is this? Like you taste it but you can't really tell what it is. Anyway, so the liquids have reduced, dried up. So what you're gonna go ahead and do, you're gonna let it steam now. You see how it's not fully cooked because I didn't use a lot of water, so it's not fully cooked. So you're gonna make it like that. You give it a quick stir it, and then you're gonna go ahead and cover it with either foil or tin foil or plastic, or you don't have to at all. Just cover it and let it steam for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, it will be just perfect. When I say perfect, I mean this perfect. Look at this. I know it's a lot of leaves in there, but trust me, it tastes so delicious. It takes me back to 10 years ago when I was in Haiti. Well, no, not 10 years ago. 15 years ago when I was in Haiti. This is one of my favorite, and I haven't had that in a long time, and I made it last time and it was just so delicious. And I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more to come. And guess what I ate this with? I ate this with chicken feet stew. Anyways, chicken feet, some people like it and some don't, and it's gonna be all up to you. It's one of the things you either like or you don't like. There's no in between. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. You have a blessed day, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.